Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield. You are not authorized to pilot this ship. Okay, first things first, what causes this error in Starfield? The main reasons include not having the appropriate pilot rank and not eliminating all crew members of the ship. Without these criteria, you won't be eligible and authorized to pilot an unknown ship in Starfield. Another method is to level up your pilot skills. To pilot different classes of ships, such as Class B or C, you need to achieve specific pilot ranks like Rank 3 and Rank 4. This requires you to increase your pilot skills substantially. Destroying a certain number of ships is also necessary to reach these ranks. Make sure that you are well equipped to take on the challenge. Consider also spending a few hours on the ship after eliminating all the enemies and crew members. Sitting in the pilot seat or nearby for a while may help you obtain authorization to pilot the ship. After taking over a ship, register it as your own. This step is important for obtaining complete ownership of the ship. You can register a ship by talking to the ship services. Registering your ships will also enable you to sell them later on the Starfield with high profit. If you have a high pilot rank and have eliminated all the enemies on the ship but still can pilot it, it's possible that the ship is locked. In this case, you won't be able to pilot it. You might want to leave that ship and explore other ships in the game instead. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield. You are not authorized to pilot this ship. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.